So it's Sunday, what? April 19th, 2020. Sunday, 11:25 a.m. Good time. It's been miserable the last 2 days. In particular, up all night, up all night.
Weekend.
So it's Sunday, April 19th, 2020. And although I had the gifts, I have to sit out a lot of the workout. Still show up because I have responsibility to my partner to be there, support. So I'm gonna get some cover because the sun is just too bright. So it's April 19th, 2020, Sunday. Pandemic. Gotta work out. It's 2 p.m. Alright. The hiccup's quiet. I was just like, hey, again, because it hurts. It's really strong inside. Yesterday when we started the workout, the hiccup stopped after I choked about 3 times. Seriously up here, seriously back. Chokes calmed me down, so that happens again today. Stronger than my right.
All the lips that used to touch yours so tenderly. Just remember what I told you the day I set you free.
You gotta keep the humor. You know, this is a really bad time, so you gotta keep it happy the best you can. Hope everybody's safe. April 19th, 2020, Sunday. 5:30. Paid for the workout.